11 Smart Ways to Make Extra Money in 2026, Real and Practical. Imagine this. You wake up with a simple goal, earn an extra $300, and by the end of the day, you've made progress toward it. No long-term plans, no complicated schemes, just actionable steps that put money in your pocket. Whether it's for bills, a small treat, or just extra financial breathing room, $300 can make a noticeable difference in your daily life. The best part? You don't need special skills or extensive experience, just a little motivation, creativity, and willingness to take practical action. In this video, you'll discover simple and practical ways to boost your income, using strategies that are achievable, realistic, and within your control. 1. Flip hot items on Facebook Marketplace. Efficiently selling items on Facebook Marketplace can turn unused stuff into cash. Spot items in demand, like electronics, furniture, or collectibles, and list them for profit. This is a practical way to increase income without needing special skills. Flipping items also teaches smart money habits and how small investments can generate extra cash. 2. Earn income through same-day freelance gigs. Freelance gigs let you turn your skills into earnings. You can write, design, or complete small tasks that clients need done promptly. Platforms make it easy to find opportunities nearby. Taking on short-term freelance work builds flexibility and helps you reach your financial goals efficiently. 3. Sell unused tech. You already own old phones, tablets, or laptops lying around can be turned into cash. List them online or bring them to local stores that buy devices. This method converts forgotten items into money without extra effort while helping you declutter. 4. Take local delivery. Jobs delivery routes offer practical ways to earn income in a single day. Apps or local services pay well for short, manageable routes. This work provides flexibility and helps you meet daily money needs while developing time management skills. 5. Offer on-demand cleaning services. People often need cleaning help at short notice. Offering services for homes or offices lets you earn extra income by leveraging everyday skills. Prioritize reliability and professionalism to make this side hustle effective. 6. Babysit or pet sit for extra earnings. Babysitting or pet sitting can provide additional income without long-term commitments. Many families seek help for short periods, and premium rates may apply for urgent requests. This work builds trust and can lead to repeat clients. 7. Do simple yard work for local clients. Tasks like mowing lawns, trimming bushes, or raking leaves provide cash payments for immediate work. Simple yard jobs are practical, easy to start, and allow you to earn money by helping your community. 8. Sell handmade or custom products. Creating handmade or custom items and selling them online or locally can increase your income using creativity and effort. Focus on products that meet demand and provide value. This approach is practical and sustainable. 9. Test websites or apps. Providing feedback on websites or apps allows you to earn extra income from simple tasks. These gigs are easy, flexible, and offer practical ways to monetize your skills. 10. Rent out tools, equipment, or space. Renting out unused items or space can generate extra income with minimal effort. This approach efficiently converts resources you already own into earnings and teaches smart money management. 11. Practical, everyday ways to increase income. Boosting your income is achievable through small, consistent actions. These practical strategies, from flipping items and short-term gigs to renting out what you own, help build financial confidence and develop money management skills over time. Follow Wealth and Wellness Nation, or WealthWave Daily 2785, for more practical, step-by-step ways to grow your income and build long-term financial confidence.